Hello students, as we know that Python is an interactive, interpreted and object-oriented programming language which is very capable of molding the real world entities. That is, through Python you can easily create the real world softwares. Python is also used as scripting languages to create the web and server side applications. Let us see some basic and history of Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 80s or early 90s at the National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. Python is derived from many other programming languages including ABC, Simula, C, C++, Modular, Smalltalk, Unix, Shell and other scripting languages, which makes a Python as object-oriented programming language as well as a scripting language. The name Python is derived from a British TV show. The name of the show was Monty Python's Flying Circus. So from this TV show, the name Python is derived. There are various features of Python programming language such as it is easy to learn, easy to read, easy to maintain and having a broad standard library in which there are many functions which are provided to perform some work which are already been done in many various Python libraries. It provides an interactive mode on which you can directly execute your program. You need not to save the program. You can directly execute the program at runtime. It is portable. Portable means it is platform independent. You can execute a Python program on any platform, that is on Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. It is having a large database which can be used for the commercial purpose. Python can also be used to create a GUI based application, graphical user interface application. Python provides many libraries which help us to create the graphical user interface applications. Python is scalable, that is, Python provides a better structure and support for large programs that is that than scription. So apart from that, Python also provides supports for object-oriented programming. It is very high-level dynamic data type and supports dynamic checking. It supports the automatic garbage collection. Automatic garbage collection means whatever work which is over, it will automatically gets removed from the memory. So we need not to have a separate garbage collector to erase the memory. Python can be easily integrated with many other programming languages like C, C++, COM, ActiveX, Cobra and Java. So these are some of the features of Python programming. There are some minus feature of Python programming also. Some of them are it is not the fastest programming language. Also, it has lesser libraries than C, C++, Java and Perl. And most important negative feature of Python is it is not strongly A binding language means the data types is not handled by the Python in very, we can say, in very strong manner, because in Python you can directly assign a value to any type of variable. It is not dependent on the data type of the variable, rather it is dependent on the value. So these are some of the negative features of Python which are not so much important. We can easily accept them because there are positive features which are more powerful than their negative features. So we can do the programming based on real world entities, as well as we can do the scripting. Python can be used to mold the real world entities, as well as they can be used to create the client side and the server side applications for the internet. Thank you.